Arne needed a lovely little hat with cables for me. And Arne had one on the table. The house ate it up. Moose, moose. A super simple hat. Where's Elvis?
Now you have to listen to me. I'm in
Sorry.
the middle of a cable here.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get her to not yell at the moose.
Hi everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And today we are going to show you how to knit cables. The background story is quite lovely actually. You were very lovely, Arne.
I was.
Yes, I was going to the hospital to spend a few weeks there in January. And Arne needed a lovely little hat with cables for me. And this is what it looks like. It's very, very beautiful. And it actually has the cable instead of a rib. So the whole thing is just cables. And it's actually pretty clever as well because the cables are facing inwards on what should be the rib, right? So the cable is inwards, and then when you fold the hat like this, you get the cables in the right direction. It's very cool.
Yeah, so when you knit it, you do the length of what's supposed to be the rib in cable, and then you turn the work inside out, and you have to move the stitches a little bit, and then you knit exactly the same.
Yeah.
But that's written in the pattern.
Yeah, so super simple hat. And we put a pattern as well on our website at arnecarlos.com, a very popular pattern actually. So it's always funny, you do like a very simple thing and then you get like a really popular design.
Yeah.
And here it is. So if you want to download the pattern and knit that, it's at arnecarlos.com. And today, Arne, you promised to show people
show you how to do the cable.
How to do the cable.
And the cable on this one is very basic. It's actually the same cable as we have on our folk costume stockings.
Yes, we have beautiful knee stockings.
Yeah.
They go past the knees because we got those short trousers for a full costume.
So I show on this little piece, I made one cable there, and the cable goes over 6 stitches. So now it's time to move the stitches to make a cable.
And we were discussing, because you need a cable needle to do this. Well, you don't need one, but it's good to have one.
There are something called a cable needle, but you can use anything.
And Arne had one on the table. The house ate it up because it's disappeared. We cannot find it. So an ordinary needle will have to make do.
Yeah. Actually, when we did the stockings for the folk costume, we didn't use an extra needle or a cable needle or anything because it's so thin, so we just took them off and changed place. But for this one, it's really good to use a wooden needle because it doesn't slip off, or bamboo or something, if you don't have that cable, which we have, but we don't know where it is. So in this case, the cable are going towards left.
To the left.
So it comes from the right and goes over to the left. That means that you put the 3 first stitches.
Moose, moose. Kom här Freja. Shh. Where Elgen? Where's the moose? Where's Elvis?
Now you have to listen to me. I'm in the middle of a cable here.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get her to not yell at the moose.
Look, I took the 3 first stitches. Is that...
She's in a bad mood.
It's that time of the day again.
It's that time of the day again when she's gonna be moody.
Could you please be friends?
Yes. Stop fighting.
Okay. So now I put the 3 first stitches on a needle, extra needle, and I hold
They're like brother and sister. Huh? I mean, they're always, and we always have to go in between them. Like, stop fighting.
Okay, I try again. 3 stitches on the extra needle in front of the work. Then you knit the 3 next one.
I just slapped him. I'm sorry.
See? And then you take the 3 from the extra needle. You can knit from that needle, or I like to put them back on the needle I knit with, like this. And then I knit the 3 first. So this way you move the stitches, they change place. And this is how you create the cable. And this one is, when you put the 3 needle in front, they point towards the left side. What's up?
I don't know. He's just very happy. Are you happy to see me? Huh?
Yeah. If you did take the 3 first on the back and knit the 3 last ones, then you will have a cable facing towards the right side. So this is a very easy, basic pattern based on what we have on our folk costumes. So this is how you make the cable. Use the extra needle or the one that has a hook, the cable needle. Okay, I'm finished now.
You're finished. Okay.
No, Helmer can take the
Yeah.
final.
Yeah, Helmer.
Say
Helmer.
it.
Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with him. He's actually wagging his tail and he just wants to cover.
I know
it.
what's wrong
Oops.
because there was a girl on the ice, and he saw her and he was out there with her, and she's a schnauzer.
Oh yeah, she's a schnauzer.
A schnauzer.
Yes. And maybe she had her little, time of the.
I think it's at the end now, but
at the end of her heating.
he was
period,
very
yeah.
happy.
I can imagine. He escaped actually and ran across the ice, which actually was quite incredible because he shouldn't.
No.
He doesn't do that normally, so
So he's a little bit excited right now.
yeah. But we caught him on time and,
Yeah.
and no harm done. But
Poor,
yeah, he's really
poor
happy.
Helmer.
Poor Helmer.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, dog problems. So that is it. That's pretty much how to knit a cable. For this particular pattern, as I said, you do the cable on the inside until you reach a certain amount of stitches. Or
Actually, it's
the
on
width.
the outside, and then you turn
Sorry, yeah, on the outside,
inside out.
and then but
Yeah.
you know what I mean.
I know what you mean.
Yeah,
I know.
yeah,
Yeah.
and then you have a great hat. Well, it's on the inside when you finish the hat, Arne,
Yeah, I know.
and then when you fold it, it's on the outside. Okay. Må du rette på meg hele tiden.
Nå slutter vi. Nå er det nok.
Okay, yeah, I guess I'll do some formalities.
You do the formalities.
We hope you really like this episode.
The cable is on the outside when you start knitting, and then you turn it inside out, so then the cable is on the inside
When you, yes, but that's
when
what
you fold it down.
but that's what I said.
Yeah,
Kind of.
kind of.
Okay, we hope you really like this episode. Please give it a big thumbs up, comment, engage, and all of that. If you haven't done it, click on the notification button. That way you will never miss an episode. And please subscribe to our channel. It's a lot of fun. Mailing list and newsletter is the best way to keep in touch with us and figure out, well, be the first to find out everything that is new at arneandcarlos.com. And we look forward to a new tutorial soon. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.